If you are planning to invest in Lagos real estate, watch this video. It can save you millions. Hello, my name is Darlington. Today, I want to walk you through 6 dangerous mistakes people make by buying land in Lagos through Omon'ile and how you can avoid becoming one of their victims. Multiple sales of one land. One of the risks of buying land from Omon'ile is that same land can be sold to multiple buyers. You buy today, tomorrow another person buys, and in most cases, Omon'ile disappears, leaving both of you stranded and fighting each other. This is one of the dangers of buying land from Omon'ile. Danger 2: no valid documentation. Omonile's land comes with no valid documentation, no C of O certificate of occupancy, no governor's consent, no registered survey. What you are holding might be receipt, not ownership, because most of Omonile's land have no valid documentation. This is a very huge risk you cannot afford to take. Danger 3: land grabbing and harassment. Most of the times, these Omoniles or their associates comes back harassing you, asking for so many things that are not valid. They come to site, harass your workers, they stop work, they start demanding for more settlement, and this continues and lingers for years, draining your resources that is meant for projects. Some of the times you see these Omoniles coming with different tactics and strategies just to grab the land back from you, and you cannot afford to fight with them. So this leads to you wasting resources and your project lingering for years. Danger 4: government acquisition risk. Many of Omonile's lands are not verified against government acquisition record. You might unknowingly be buying committed land under acquisition, or land marked for demolition, and when the government shows up, you lose everything. That will be very unfair for you with your hard-earned money. Danger 5: family disputes. Many Omonile land belongs to large family lineage. One family member says to you, another comes later claiming the land was sold illegally. This leads to court cases that can last for years. This can drain your resources, it can cause emotional trauma, high blood pressure, and you know the risk at the end of the day. So Omonile land it may be cheap, but at the end of the day, you can see most of the hidden causes. Now let's go to danger 6. This will surprise you. Danger 6: no access to infrastructure. No access to infrastructure. Many of these lands doesn't have proper access road, have no proper road access, are in underdeveloped or swampy areas, lack drainage, electricity, or even security. So what looked cheap at first becomes very expensive to develop. This is why smart and experienced investors, especially those in the diaspora, no longer take this risk. This is a very huge risk. They invest in verified government allocated lands with proper titles and documentation. And at the Travel Realtors, we help you verify property titles, avoid legal disputes, invest in high growth locations like Ipejuleki, Lekki, Epe, Ikoyi, secure properties with a guaranteed return on investment potentials, no guesswork, no stress, no storage. So if you are serious about investing in Lagos real estate, right away, book a 30-minute consultation with our team today. Help you secure land that gives you peace of mind and real returns. Click on the WhatsApp link around this video if you are open to do business with us, and the description below. There's a WhatsApp link on the description below, so that you can have a free 30 minutes consultation with us. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, to share with someone who is planning to invest in Lagos real estate. Subscribe for more helpful insight on Lagos real estate, because one wrong move in real estate can cost you everything.